Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot Memorial Day sales. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we have some of these garden hoses here, 50 feet for $25 for the Husky brand. Another special buy we have for RYOBI here, $100 off of this blower trimmer combo kit. So if you need one of those, again, RYOBI is definitely a great DIY option for that. Definitely going to do a good job for you there. Then we also see some more of these. We have the trimmer there for $229, and then also the 21-inch self-propelled mower for $499. Again, you get to save $50 off of that one. This, I think, is one of the best deals of the sale here. $389 for this Traeger pellet grill. I did look at this for about 10 minutes. I'm still debating if I'm going to get me one or not. This is a great pickup. Traeger's one of the top ends on that. And again, here is another sign, up to $200 off of different Traegers. So there's bigger sizes and different options. So if you're interested in any of those, or if you need you a grill, especially a pellet grill, definitely a great time to go and check those out. See here, right, is another option, another $100 off of this one. Another Traeger, a little bit larger size, but again, a great option with that one. And then another ironwood grill right there. You do get to save $200 off of that Traeger. So again, a lot larger option right there. And then here is another good deal, $499 for this one. Again, the 34 pellet grill. And again, another great option. Traeger is one of the top ends for pellet grills and just grills in general. So definitely check these out if you're interested at all. I've told a lot of my friends about these. And then again, here is another setup as well. So many different ones. You can definitely come and grab whichever one that you might need. Another item I thought might be great is this patio setup here for $100. We actually have this exact one at our house. It's lasted a pretty good while, and we really like to use it sitting outside. Have a little shade, and then also the nice little setup there. And we have multiple lights similar to these outside as well. Get to save $10 off of these right here. We also have the offset umbrella. Get to save $100 off of this umbrella right here. So you get this setup again outside if you want to get some shade outside, maybe even near your grill or near a workstation, any of those kind of things. Then right here, $500 for this 7-piece dining set. So if you need one of these, you get to save almost $200. Again, another great pickup right there, especially for some outdoor enthusiasts. Then we have a couple different refill options for some Roundup. So if you need to grab some Roundup to take care of your yard, you can definitely grab some of these. Just be really careful when using Roundup. We don't use it at my house, but you can definitely use it, and it really works pretty well. But again, we've tried a couple other options, and I have some other videos that you can check on the channel. A couple random deals right here I saw. You got the little starter kit for $200. You got the attachment for the string trimmer, $229, and then also the blower there. Then we have the little bit smaller string trimmer, $79. Again, a great pickup, and the smaller blower. Again, RYOBI is a great DIY brand. Definitely going to do a good job for you there. We have some charcoal. Get to save about $2 on some charcoal. So if you like the old school Webers or the old school grills, definitely grab you some of those. Then a couple more charcoal sets. We have this one here for $15, 20 pounds for some charcoal there. And then another set for the lump charcoal, $20 here. So great options on these. And then we even have some Traeger pellets right there for $24. Here's another pretty good pickup for the 18-volt 20-inch self-propelled mower, $399. So you get to save $30 off of that one there. Then they also had a couple different sprayers, so whichever one that you might need here, get to save on these. For the Wagners, I actually have one, and I use it, and it works really well. Used it in a recent video. We have some gutter attachments here for RYOBI, $79 for this. Trying to get those gutters cleaned. And we even have other attachments right there as well. So if you need to grab some of those, you definitely can. Got the edger attachment also down to $79 as well. And then I want to show you guys some Milwaukee deals. You can see some of these for whatever you might need out in the yard. Grab some of those. and then also more yard tools and other tools like that. So whatever you might need, Milwaukee is the top end brand here at Home Depot. Definitely going to do a great job for you, but you can check these out. Another option here is this combo kit, $4.49 for the trimmer and the blower. Again, like I mentioned, Milwaukee's going to do a great job for you. It's going to last, so if you need one of those. And then we also have another option here. Get the string trimmer for $2.99, down $50 for that one as well. I also want to show you this blower, $129. So if you need the 18-volt blower there, again, another solid job. Going to do a good job for you at the house. You can see what this looks like. Then they have these kind of just random deals over there. We have the tiller kit. I mean, look at that price drop. That's huge. Also, the log splitter is pretty large, edger kit, and even the smaller tiller as well. So get some pretty big price drops if you need any of those tools, but some heavy duty options right there for those, whatever you might need. You also have the job site fan, $99 for that one, down $150, which is nice. We also have some more RYOBI pressure washers. See this, the 2000 electric pressure washer. Then we have the other 3300 PSI at $400. And so we saw a couple other options. There's a 2900 PSI, $300. So again, check those out. The circular saw we see was down to $113. So again, if you're in the RYOBI brand, definitely a great thing to check out. This is actually when I've gotten a lot of my tools. When they drop on sale or clearance, I'll go in there and snag some of them. You see right here, the reciprocating saw, $102. And then also some of these combo kits. So if you need a drill, I mean, $69. That's tough to beat on a drill. Got some combo kits here. Really good savings on these for RYOBI days. So whatever you might need, definitely check some of these out. Here's another RYOBI option I thought you guys might enjoy. The vacuum kit here, 18 volt, $60 for cleaning up stuff around the house or the shop. A couple more Milwaukee items. See some of these combo kits with the drill driver and impact driver, $350. Again, definitely going to do a great job for these right here. You see, if you're into Milwaukee, definitely a great thing to pick up there. And then we also see the impact here for $350 as well. So if you need a heavy duty M18 option, there's definitely one for you right there. Then we have a couple other deals. Just want to show you guys these. Magnetic nut driver set, the hex screwdriver, little starter kit. Then we have some of these Diablo blades. Definitely a great thing to pick up right there. You get to save some money. Always great to grab some of these. They kind of go on sale a lot of times during the year, but it's always great to grab some while you're there. Then DEWALT had their Tough System dollies and boxes and all kind of stuff like that on sale. So you can see some of these. So if you need some of these setups to storage or just kind of move around in your shop. Then I didn't want to lose anyone. We got some Makita fans. So we had a couple Makita deals. Get the free battery when you purchase one of these tools. So if you need one of those, definitely pick that up. And today's sponsor is HFS Tools. This is a great little option right here. This is the handheld thermal camera that they have. I really like it because it can cycle between visuals, so you can just kind of see what's going on. Then you can also do thermal if you want to do that, or even fusion, and then go back and forth between whatever you might want. So if you're trying to figure out when you've done a project, if something's safe, if something's hot, or anything that's kind of going on there, you can check that out with this camera. It's also great because it is a camera as well, so you can video that, so you know when you got done with the project, it was good and clean. You have proof for that. Also has a laser, so you can see the laser here behind me, which is really nice, so you know where it's at. But really cool device, works really well. This is the HF96V option. Again, I really like it. It's a great one. If you're interested in one of these, I will have a link down below. You can go check that out there. And a huge shout out to HFS Tools for sponsoring today's video. DEWALT did the same thing here. Free battery when you buy one of these. So you can see some of these tools, a little bit of price drop on some of these. But again, kind of depends on what you might need or might be interested in. Then we also had another set right here for the free battery as well. So whatever you might need, you can definitely check these out and see if that's something you need to pick up. But some pretty good deals on those right there. And then we had some clearance on some of these tools here for Milwaukee. So if you need a little sander, check that one out. Also this wet dry vac for $220. Pretty good deal right there for that one. More DEWALT tools. Have some batteries. Look at that battery right there. $39. It's a great deal for that one. Then we have the 3-pack 20-volt max batteries as well. A couple other options here for the flex volt. Again, really good deal and really good tool on these right here. So you can check some of those out, see if that might be something that you might be interested in. And then a couple other options right here. We have buy one of these tools, get this battery for free. So whatever you might be interested in, you can check these out. Brushless screw gun or the cutout tool. Then a couple other smaller hand options there. And then we have a couple more Makita tools. We even have some safety glasses, drill driver, impact driver, 2-tool kit there. And now I did want to show you guys this little work drawer, kind of little workspace option here for $450. I think it's pretty large and has a lot of storage as well. I think that's a really cool option. So if you need some type of storage as well as a workspace, that's a great one for you. A little bit less, about $100 less right here. You have the storage, or excuse me, the workspace, but not as much storage. You have a little bit, so you can kind of slide some of these out, but most of it is, again, gone. So you just have mainly workspace, but you can kind of move this around and adjust it as well. I do like a lot of these Husky storage boxes right here. So if you need some of these for the shop, I actually have a couple of these, and they work really well for me. I really like them, heavy duty. And then, again, here's another toolbox from DEWALT. So that, again, Tough System 2.0. See some of the prices right there. We saw these on pretty good discounts for Black Friday, but now we're into May. And we see these kind of dropping a little bit in price, but again, depends on what you might need. I have seen people using these and rolling them around in random places. More Diablo blades, $35 for these. Kind of just depends on what you might be needing. So this RYOBI speed bench, $179. Get to save $20 off of that one. So again, if you need one of these, you can definitely grab that. Then we see some more blades here. You get to save a little bit of money on these, down to $15 for your Sawzall. Great thing to pick out there. Then they also have these appliance savings when they have these big deals going on, up to 35% off select appliances. So it's definitely a great time to pick up an appliance. You can see down here, you get to save $100 when you spend this, all the way up to $450. So if you're going to upgrade, or maybe something is on its last leg, it might be a great time to go ahead and check one of these out. We've had to buy some appliances recently, and it was great to save a little bit of money in some of these deals. Then we see a couple more deals. Again, this is another option right here with the sander for $229. Great thing to pick up there. Then $180. Right here we have the underbody light. More RYOBI deals. We have some of their chargers, impact drivers, and also drill kit. And like I mentioned, this is a lot of times when I'll pick up a couple sets of different things or a couple tools that I might not have. Always great to keep your eye out on these aisles. Then they did have some toilet paper. You get to save a few bucks off of that while you're there. And also some trash bags. So if you're going to be working around, cleaning stuff up, or whatever you might need them for, definitely a great thing to pick up there. And then even some brooms here for $15. Great pickup, great thing to grab and clean up. And then even more cleaning items as well for some glass cleaner right there. And then outside, they also had the deals going on with John Deere. You can check that out and maybe even save up to $200 on some of these riding lawnmowers. But overall, there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Home Depot Memorial Day sale. You can go check some of these out. I will have links for some of these items down below, so if you're interested, you can check those out there. Also, feel free to like and subscribe so that you never miss another deal, and I'll see you in the next video.